Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by today to look at our used SC362 we've got for sale. Today we've got a 2017 model. This machine's got 495 hours on it, and those are the actual hours as we sold this machine initially and traded it back in. Just gonna crank it up and show you all the functions work. That's low speed ground dry. That's high speed ground dry. As you can see, it cranks, runs, and functions like it should. So give us a call. It's ready to go to work.